I love efficiency, and viruses are masters at efficiency. The thing that captivated me initially about them was this idea that you can have an organism that has 1,000,000 times less genetic information than the host that it infects. So something like Ebola, for example, 7 genes. Those 7 genes together devastate the human body. So how is it that a virus can do so much with so little? Hi, my name is Britt Glaunsinger. I'm a professor of plant and microbial biology and molecular and cell biology here at Berkeley. And I've been challenged with explaining the 101 of virology in 101 seconds. So let's go. Virology is basically the study of the viruses in us, on us, around us, on the planet, how they work, how they take over our cells, how we might be able to stop them in cases of disease. Viruses that people probably conjure images up of when they're thinking about virology would be Ebola, SARS-CoV-2, influenza, HIV, maybe smallpox, the only virus we've ever eradicated from the human population. The vast majority of viruses on Earth, we're covered with viruses in our guts, in our mucous membranes, in our blood, on our skin, cause no known disease. Studying those viruses has taught us a lot about how our own bodies work and what goes wrong during all kinds of diseases like cancer and autoimmunity and things like that. My specialty are herpes viruses and a type of human herpes virus that causes cancer. Actually, what we specialize in is understanding how viruses like that take over and reprogram gene expression in a cell. And we try and understand it both so that we can find ways of stopping viruses like that, but also so we can understand how our own cells respond to pathogenic stress that can lead to chronic diseases. One of the remarkable things that being at Berkeley does for us here is that you're surrounded by essentially the people who have made the fundamental discoveries about how molecular biology works, how cells become transformed and move on to progress to cancer, and being able to connect with them and get ideas and collaborate enables us to see this picture from many different facets.